She needs you to sign something.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What'd you say?
I said yes, sir. That means you mean yes, ma'am. Sign. You can have all the crowns and sign right here. I'll sign right over. All right. Ow, my finger.
What are you doing?
I'm going to draw something. Just don't say fire, fire, help, help.
Fire, fire, help, help!
Don't say it.
Fire, fire, help, help!
Wait.
You don't have time for a fire. Fire, fire, help, help! Oh my gosh!
Oh, my phone is calling. Hello. The tree is falling. You need to make a tree falls. Wait. I need you to so they'll know that you were supposed to be in here. There you go. Bye-bye. I need to knock that tree off before the squirrel's going to